has improved from around 3 cubic to 6 cubic liters per hour. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are at Michorani Farm in Kamulalani. Kamulalani is at Kiwesi District, eastern part of Kenya, Makueni County. And now we are servicing this submersible pump. The pump can pump at a static height of 250 meters. So we have just completed servicing the pump, and now we want to take the pump back to the borehole. Now we have used, instead of using UPVC pipes, we have used high intensity polyethylene pipe, HDPE. This is HDPE pipe. This is what we call HDPE pipe. All PE pipe is 40 millimeters in size, and almost equivalent of 40 millimeters is an almost equivalent of 1¼ inch pipe. So this one is made in metric, but the normal pipes are made in inches. So 40 millimeters, but layman call it 1¼ inch pipe. So we have used a very simple technology, a very strong kind of rope to hold the submersible pump. So instead of using a very expensive technology, we have used very simple technology, and it can be done manually. So we have removed that pump. We had removed this pump at a depth of 150 meters deep. So we have used a roll of 100 meters, which is connected with another 50 meters long HDPE pipe. So we are taking it back to a depth of 150 meters again. So I think you'll enjoy seeing how it is done. Guys, make it very straight. Now we are taking back the pump to the 150 deep bore, and this is how it is done. Guys, let's go. Ini pause. Tunggu lagi deh. Gan aja yuk. Now the pump is held tight by this rope. Guys, let's continue. Now, this is the farthest end of the first 100 meters. Now, I want to join this 100 meters length with the next 50 meters. The total will be 150 meters. That will be inside the bore. And this is how you do the connection. Okay, I'm using a 40 millimeter PE coupling. This 40 millimeter PE coupling. Oh, I mean 40 millimeters PE coupling. Others call it 40 millimeter PE connector. And this is how you do it.
Uganda